It's a lot of things happening for COQ INU at this moment in time, man. We're gonna see and be able to easily get a 10x from these prices here. A lot of people are, you know, talking about COQ or, have opinions and everything, but we know at the end of the day, the team is still building. The layer one solution, the COQ is coming very, very soon. So there's going to be another but bullish catalyst, I believe, and so many things down the pipeline that I'm so bullish going into 2025. And we have yet to see a true altcoin like bull market. Yes, we've seen, meme coins on other blockchains go up. We even seen, rises on meme coins on the Avax blockchain, even though they have going down as of recently. We've seen 10x's happen, and I do believe COQ has a great opportunity right now to really get in and become another billion-dollar meme coin. So let's get straight into it, man. Let's talk about it. Price, where COQ is at today. So, man, we see right now COQ is the third hottest project on the Avax blockchain as of today. Now, we looking at a $64 million market cap, man. $64 million market cap. I feel like that's one of the best entries we might get, this entire year. Now, I'm not saying it can't go down, but I do believe, and I am very bullish on 2025. I don't think we go too much further down. I'm not saying it's not possible. I'm just saying this is a good entry in my personal opinion, because if we really zoom out, man, we can see we almost hit, $500 million market cap. Now it was like what, 453. So not too far from 500 million. I do believe it can go up to $640 million market cap, or so $650 million market cap, a 10x from these prices today. And I also believe it can easily go up to $1 billion just because of everything that they're doing. We know about the COQ that's coming, and it's super bullish for the simple fact that a lot of projects are going to be building on these, and they already have some projects that have been on the testnet, just really, testing things out, seeing, you got to run a testnet, all of that stuff or whatnot. But what I'm saying is, right now, these dApps are being built on the COQ, and they're going to use COQ. I think I'm not sure if it's gasless. I got to get some more information about that. I think the last video I did, it said something about being gasless, but got to go back and check that. But either way it goes, just being built on that, subnet on the Avax blockchain, I think it's going to really help it, especially with utility, because at the end of the day, we want projects that have some type of utility. And even though it's a meme coin, I like that the idea of having utility for it. So what I say, it creates less sale pressure if I can use it to do different things on different projects. So very bullish, man. Very bullish on everything that's going on right now. It is more sales than buys. But if we just look across the board, honestly, everything on the Avax blockchain is in the red. Like, that's just a part of it. I think we're just experiencing the dip. And Avax is one of the slower chains, I will say. I'm a big Avax fan at the end of the day. Like, I think Avax is probably one of the best blockchains, and in the future, I think it's going to be, on a whole different level, because we see institutions are, using the Avax blockchain and things like that. But I'm not saying it's necessarily bad as far as volume goes. It's still in the $134 million as far as volume. But if we compare it to the likes of some of the top blockchains, if we go to Solana, we're seeing $11 billion on Solana. We're seeing $1 billion on Base. And on Ethereum, how we seeing $2 billion in trading volume in the past 24 hours. So we gotta kind of understand that the projects on Avax is gonna move slow, just due to it's not as much volume being pumped like the other projects. And the other blockchains, they have so many different projects on the blockchain, and I will say you can get lost in the sauce when you go to other blockchains. Now you gotta really be inside, or I won't say inside, but have your ear to the markets, man. Like, you really gotta be in the trenches when you go to Solana. But I feel like Avalanche is a a slower blockchain. Not necessarily slower, but it's at a decent pace. It's trading enough volume for right now. I don't think we have seen the all-time highs as far as trading volume goes, and I think this year we will see crazy trading volumes. I do believe at some point this year we will potentially see $1 billion traded in 24-hour volume on AVAX, and I will say that I'm saying this was January 22nd, 2025, man. I believe, and I won't even say it like that. I want to say that guaranteeing, man, it's going to be one of these days in 2025, it's going to be $1 billion 24-hour trading volume. That's just a 10x from here. So there's not, too much of a hassle to do, and I do think these projects on AVAX will absolutely do some good. And but will say that COQ is probably one of my favorite, if not the favorite, meme coin on the AVAX blockchain. Now, Dano, he tweets a lot about COQ. He said he been down in the trenches doing the research. He found the next great meme coin opportunity. So COQ right now only $64 million market cap. Rocket into billions like soon. So hear me out. Seriously, 2 minutes of your time might mean 100x. So we just scroll down to some of the good stuff, man. I wanted to see, boom, right here. So boom, so we can see where a cyber sleuth has just detected that the ERC20 contract addresses for COQ has been interacting across Solana, Ethereum, Base, Arbitrum. So they have been, looking into getting and moving to becoming a multi-chain meme coin. And a lot of people have their thoughts and whatever about it. But at the end of the day, it's just an opportunity, more of an opportunity for COQ to grow. And then there's so many bullish narratives and projects that have been building around COQ. So we got the COQ book, a sports betting platform with casino games, all using the COQ token. Then we got the COQ AI, an AI agent running wild on X. Then we got COQ Media, a dedicated media team that does nightly podcasts. Then we got the Chicken NFT, COQ Fight, an NFT battling game that wagers with COQ tokens. Got the GoGo Pool, Cognet, L1 blockchain that runs on COQ tokens. So it's so much utility that's been around COQ INU right now, and that's why I'm super bullish on it, because of everything that they're doing. It's not only just the meme coin. I do believe, of course, the meme coins though that has a community, COQ has a community. The meme coins that have a cult-like community, those are the meme coins that absolutely take off. And of course, like I was saying, the bigger meme coins that have already taken off or that have grown so fast, they were on blockchains that had higher volumes at the specific times they took off. And now those blockchains just simply catch traction faster. And I do believe if COQ would have been on another blockchain, it might have, taken off to $1 billion even faster. But at the end of the day, I always say too, I love the slow cooks, man. I love when those projects just take off out of nowhere. Some projects, it takes months before they actually go to billions of dollars. So we just got to be patient. And we go back to COQ and just look how long it's been around. It's only been around a year and a month. And it has seen appreciation. Now, some people might have took profits. Some people will take profits if, say for instance, if you were in but low in a $20 million market caps, of course, people are going to take profits when it does a 10x and plus. So we got to understand, man, it's cycles in between the cycles. Like, we got a bull market, we got a bear market, but in those we experience crazy appreciation and we experience crazy dips as well. That's a part of how the game goes, and we can see a lot of people are still selling off at these times, and we had a $64 million market cap. And I do believe it's going to easily go back up to previous all-time highs and even go further. I will still say that COQ is $1 billion market cap, a meme coin. Then somebody else said COQ is officially on Solana. So They have deployed a contract or bridged some tokens to Solana, but it was just pretty much a burn. But something is most definitely cooking up on Solana at these moments in the time. Oh man, a lot of big things going on for COQ. Like I said, we got the COQ coming where projects are building around COQ. We already got so much utility built around COQ as well. And not only that, man, a lot of people are capitulating at these moments in time, but it's so bullish. The narrative is so bullish for the entire crypto space. And with COQ building as the narrative continues to increase for crypto, I do believe COQ has the potential to be $1 billion meme coin in this bull market. So Crypto Cho, I'm out of here.